How can I update GCC to the latest version in Ubuntu 10.04? I have Ubuntu 10.04.32 with GCC 4.4.3 currently installed on it. I want to upgrade it to GCC 4.6.1. How to update using Ubuntu Package Manager? As a second option, I downloaded the latest GCC snapshot file from this URL. How do I configure, compile, and install it?
I think you can get it by adding this pip to your repositories. This URL. You can add the pip by running. After it's in the repositories, and after running, apt-get update, you should be able to either one, update to the latest version using apt-get upgrade, or possibly two, you'll have it available as a separate package you'll need to apt-get install. I'm not sure which is the case with this package. Further information, guide on how to add a pip to your repositories.
Add this URL to your repositories by running sudo apt repository pa column ubuntu toolchain r/test. Then follow the steps on Ubuntu to map GCC to the version you just installed. In our case, you want to run
You don't get latest anything on LTS with the package manager. It's supposed to be stable with backported security updates. I'm not a fan of updating distros, I just reinstall and copy. Is the general procedure. Read the options in the configure script. You have to have a version installed to compile a new one. Make install will probably mangle your current install. Suggestion: if you want newest, then use newest. That's 11.10 at this point, I think.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.